Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. First, Ramazan Mubarak, and I know you all are doing well in Ramazan. As you know me, I am a maths teacher, and today we will learn about addition and subtraction of fraction with different denominators. Be ready for this. First, I will teach you addition of fraction with different denominators. You can see here equation 5 upon 4, in which 4 is denominator, as you know well, and the second 3 upon 7, in which 7 is denominator, and 4 and 7 both are different. We will have to make same denominator, and I am telling you very easy way. Just write opposite denominator before opposite denominator. For example, just write 7 before 4 and write 4 before 7. Then as it is, write 4 as a numerator with 3 and write 7 with 5. Then just multiply all numbers, 7 with 4, 7 with 4, then 7 with 5 and 3 with 4. After multiplying all numbers, just read the table of 7 till 5 and the answer will be 35. Then read the 7 till 4 and the answer will be 28. Then make the addition sign as it is and multiply 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. And then multiply 7 and 4. Answer will be 28. Now students, you can see here we have made same denominator 12 upon 28 and 35 upon 28, means that now denominators are same. After this, just write denominator one time and add numerator together. The first numerator is 35, then the sign of addition, and then write 12. Now we will add numerator together. When we add 5 and 2, answer will be 7, and then add 3 and 1, answer will be 47, and the denominator value will be 28. The final answer of this equation is 47 upon 28. I hope you have gotten very well. Now it is time to know about your home task. Just solve pages number 79 and 80 in your book for A and given worksheet, which will have to done by your own. Let's know now about your second week work. The topic for your second week is subtraction of fraction with different denominators. Now students, you can see here the equation 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3, and the sign between them is minus, and denominators are different. One is 7 denominator and second is 3 denominator. Same method will be used here, which we have done in addition of fraction with different denominator. Now we will multiply opposite denominators to each other. For example, the denominator 3, we will multiply 3 with the numerator 5 and denominator 7 as well. Now again we will multiply the denominator 7 with our next equation, means the numerator 2 and the denominator 3. 7 will be multiplied. Now we will read here tables. The table of 3 till 5, answer will be 15, and the table of 3 till 7, answer will be 21. Is we will read the table of 2 till 7, answer will be 14, and the table of 3 till 7, answer will be 21. Now we will simply subtract them, means minus, because here the sign is minus. We subtract 14 from 15, answer will be 1, and 21 is same denominator, we will write as it is. The answer is 1 upon 21. Now it's time to know about your home task. Students, you will have to solve pages number on book for 8, 81 and 82 and solve the given worksheet will be given to you. I hope you students you have understood today's topic very well. Best of luck and remember me in your precious periods of Ramadan. Allah Hafiz.